The wall is plasterboard. It's had numerous failed attempts to mount the TV. So the plasterboard is quite a distance off the brick wall behind it. So this is our method of making a stronger mount for a bracket that has a movable arm. So basically you've got 3/4 ply, painted it white, we screwed it and we're going to no nails it to the wall. Giving us a strong base after this is set for 24 hours to be able to put this TV bracket that's movable onto the wall. So this is how we propose to fix this job after 3 failed attempts of a TV wall mounting pulling itself out of a plasterboard wall.